Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, since you guys got me to 50 likes in the last video, this video has arrived. As I promised, I will be unboxing and reviewing, giving you my opinions on these Gucci shoes that I got from Bicester Village for my birthday. So as you may or may not know, I did make two videos so far. One was what I got for my birthday, the other was everything I got from Bicester Village. And the other video which I've released so far is the unboxing and, the review and unboxing of my Gucci wallet that I recently purchased as well. Without any further ado though guys, let's get straight into the video. So, as you can see again, we got the same box as last time. This nice white and black simple box, sorry. And it just says Gucci in black on white, on the white background kind of. So if we get into the box, got quite a few things in here. We've got the shoes, both of the shoes are put into individual dust bags, which I really do like, and the dust bags just say Gucci on them, as you can see. But the packaging when you buy from Gucci is just amazing. It really makes you want to go back and purchase again. It's really nice. And also comes with a Gucci responsibility card, which they always give out. It's just some paper. This as well, some shoe, to put in the shoe so it doesn't crease, as the shoe is partly leather and you don't want to crease it. And also, spare pair of laces, which is nice. And the laces just have this saying Gucci on them. So let's get straight into the shoes then, guys. The packaging, I've said, amazing. Number one, as always. And this is the shoe itself, guys. Now onto the shoe. As you can see, we've got that lovely GG print on the shoe. Not all over the shoe, which I do like. It's just in certain places on the majority of the shoe, which I do like, but just not everywhere. And you've got a nice leather toe box over here, a bit of leather on the heel over here, a strip of leather, and a leather outline on the shoe, as you can see. This is a very nice shoe in my opinion. And on the outsole of the shoe, as you can see, it just says Gucci in this nice font, and it's just got some palm trees and stuff like that. Palm tree and sunset. So that is the outsole of the shoe if you guys are interested. This is basically an all black shoe. However, this is a lighter color, the actual canvas itself. So the shoe is primarily made up of rubber, canvas, and this sort of rubbery material over here on the outsole and the midsole. Leather on the toe box and the heel. And this nice canvas material on the rest of the shoe, as well as on the tongue and I don't know what you call this part of the shoe, the sides, I guess you could say. But very nice. And you also have these two holes over there. I'm not sure what they're for, but these are basically like Converses almost, you could say. If you take the other shoe out, just if you guys wanted to see. The other shoe, I don't know why. It just also has a little plastic wrap around it, which is, I guess, nice. I don't know. And then the other shoe as well. On the insole of the shoe, as you can see, or I don't know, I think it's tough to see. On the insole of the shoe, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I don't think you guys can see that. It just says Gucci made in Italy, embossed into the leather, which is really nice. And also over here, it also just says Gucci made in Italy. But these shoes are really nice. They're not the most comfortable shoes in the world, but they're not built to be the most comfortable shoes ever. I think the most comfortable shoe I've ever tried on is a pair of, the most comfortable shoes I've ever had is a pair of Ultra Boosts, which I still have obviously because I just got them recently. And I got this in a size 8.5. I don't know, with shoes from, shoes are just like, I don't know, different sizing, because with the pair of Ultra Boosts I got them in a size 10, whereas with normal shoes I just go with, a size 9. However, when it came to these Gucci shoes, I got a size 8.5, which is, normally too small for me. It just varies, I don't know why, it's just, so I do recommend you guys go into the store and try them on, don't just order online, unless you know for sure, then go ahead. But also I did try on another pair of Gucci shoes, and, for those shoes, it was too small, size 8.5 was way too small for me. and have to have like a size 9 for that shoe. So it just depends. I do recommend though you guys go into the store and buy from the store. You know, you get to try it on, because obviously now you can try on in the stores. At least in England you can try on now. They've changed the rules a bit. So I do recommend you try them on, because the worst thing is probably to spend lots of money on a shoe, be all excited, wait for it to come in, and then it comes in, it's too small, too big. So and then you have to return it and do that all over again. So I do recommend you guys go ahead and actually go into the store, try the shoe on. But yeah, and what's it called? With this size 8.5, I do have space at the end of the shoe to grow. Not more than I'd usually have, but still, for a size 8.5, normally it'd be too small for me. Whereas for this shoe, it's like, you know, you still got a bit of room to grow in this shoe. So I'm very happy with this shoe though. I'm happy they had my size, because for another shoe, they didn't. For lots of shoes, they didn't have my size. So I was a bit worried that they wouldn't have my size in these shoes. And, you know, thankfully they did. And I guess some people are going to say these look a bit like Converses, which they actually do look a bit like Converses. You know, they got the little lace holes over there on the side, on the side of the shoe. And they've also got this little leather detail over here, just like Converses do, or Vans, I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, Gucci Converses. However, this wasn't my only like shoe that I was looking to get. I was looking at 2 pairs of shoes. I was trying to choose between this pair and another pair. The other pair was a silver pair of Gucci shoes with a metal GG Gucci link going around it. It was a very, you know, standout shoe. I'm going to put a photo of it up here if I can find one. I'm pretty sure I can, because I did search up earlier. But this is the shoe that I was also looking at. And this is the shoe I actually got right there. And I wasn't sure which one to decide. Which one do you guys think looks better? Let me know if you think the other one looks better or this one. Ideally, you know, it would be great if I had both of them. But I'm very happy just to have one of them, you know. So I'm very grateful to have one. If I did have to pick, you know, just one, I'd pick this one, like every day, because it's just more casual. It's, you know, black, you know, matches with everything. Whereas the other shoe is a bit out there, and it would be, you know, it doesn't match with everything. It matches with a bit, but it's like very out there. This is just a very casual shoe, you know. Obviously, I love both of the shoes, but I like this one just a bit more. So I did end up getting this one, and in the future, hopefully, if everything goes well, my reselling keeps doing well, I'll go back to the Gucci store and I'll get that pair of shoes as well. So these shoes are very nice, very, you know, high quality pair of shoes. I think I've said that already. But if you are looking to get this, I do recommend you know, if you have the money to, I think this is a good pair of shoes to buy. If you know, if you haven't got any shoes and you're looking to buy just one pair of shoes, I do not recommend you buy these, because these aren't a shoe you can wear every day. If you're just trying to start your shoe collection, I do not recommend you buy these or anything like this, because then you just have one shoe and you've put a lot of your budget just into one shoe. However, if you are looking to get a nice pair of Gucci shoes and you are looking at getting this one, I do recommend you get it if you have the, you know, the budget to do so and you're prepared to buy it and you're okay with it. I do recommend you buy it because it's a very nice pair of shoes. However, if you haven't got, you know, any shoes or many shoes, and you're just looking to start your shoe collection, I wouldn't recommend you buy those shoes until, you know, however, I do recommend you buy this pair of shoes right here. These are my Jordan Eclipses, relatively inexpensive. They got Jordan on the back of it. It's a comfortable shoe, but enough of that shoe because we're not reviewing this one or unboxing it. Back to the actual shoe we're reviewing and unboxing. So yeah, if you don't have that many pairs of shoes, or none, or maybe just one or two, I wouldn't say buy this unless you really, really want to. Then I guess go ahead and buy it, do what you want. I'm not going to stop you. But I do recommend, if you're just getting your first pair of shoes or something, to get something you can wear every day. This you can't wear every day because, I mean, it's just the world we live in. You can't just go to the park and play football in these. You don't want to mess these up. These are a very, very nice pair of shoes. And for me, these are probably my most expensive pair of shoes that I've ever purchased, ever. So I'm very happy with this shoe. My first ever pair of Gucci shoes. Definitely not the last one, because I really do like these. And I really do like some of the shoes they make. But yeah, I really do like this. It's got a bit of leather trim on the tongue over here. And on the inside of the tongue, it's just all leather. and around the tongue. But I really do like this shoe, guys. I recommend it to you if you're looking to buy this. Again, I do recommend you going to the store and try them on. I got this from Bicester Village if you guys are interested, where I got them from if you are looking to go get a pair. Very nice pair of shoes. Again, if you want to go support my reselling account and my reselling, I would really appreciate if you guys go ahead at streetwear_store123. I'd appreciate if you guys went and maybe followed the Instagram account, left a like, or if you want to buy something, buy something. I sell a bunch of stuff from, you know, Supreme, Adidas, Gucci, Jordan, Nike. Oh, I sell quite a lot of different brands. So if you are looking to get something, I do recommend you go check it out. Even if you don't find anything, and if you're looking for something, maybe message me and I could help maybe find it for you. But yeah, I do appreciate it. You guys watching, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what video you want to see me do next. Again, I didn't go into depth with quite a few of the things I got, such as the Jordan 1s, the Adidas Ultra Boost, along with this and the wallet. I have released but I did release a video on this wallet over here. Showing you guys my review on it, my opinions, the unboxing of it, the unboxing experience. That's the wallet. Hold on. So if you guys are interested in this wallet, I'm not going to go too much into depth about it because this video is not about the wallet, it's about the shoes. But if you guys do want to go ahead and watch that, go ahead and do that. That's it for the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Goodbye.